Did someone say bouncing back and forth in this range? Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting ourselves back into another 2-minute technicals video looking at Bitcoin. And as we can see, finally in the MACD on the Bitcoin chart, you can zoom in here. Look at that. We actually have some 4-hour candles turning green for the first time since August 10th. Well, obviously, we had some short-term relief up there, too, around that 90 point. We had some nice price action up to the 30s, but otherwise from that, we've been pretty much sideways. So let's just dive deeper into here. Let's see exactly what Bitcoin is up to. So looking at this chart, Bitcoin is just everything's converging. Everything's getting close here in the 4 hours. You can see all the moving averages getting sandwiched together. We actually got a breakthrough our top trend line here. We got a back test to it, and now it's going sideways. That's good to see. Nonetheless, what we'll do here is go sideways with a trend line like that, and you can see exactly that breakout that we kind of had thought. The breakout we thought that was coming for Bitcoin definitely came a little bit earlier than we would like, but you can see from here to here, we got that exact target up. We got up there to around that 32,000. Obviously, like I said, a couple days earlier than we would have wanted, but that's how crypto can be sometimes. So you just need to look at your breakout zones, and as we came flying up, this is where we were holding, and that's where we flew up to. But, what we were saying earlier in the week when we were doing Bitcoin videos, we were talking about the fact that we needed to actually hold through 30,000 or we'd get it retested at the bottom of that zone. And nonetheless, we got to retest right down to the bottom of the zone, right there at 29,187. We actually quicked almost down to 28,000, but we're holding in that region. And now let's see what's going on. So, getting in here closer, come here on the 4-hour. What we can do is use that same bottom side. You can still use this if you want to, just from the top to the bottom. You could use that, and you can see that you have some sort of move coming here by Friday. You could also do something like this. You can use almost like, perhaps you could use that, but I'm going to go based off of this. This seems more likely to me, something like that. Or if you want to be a little more condensed, you could do it like this. And it's still there around like Thursday to Friday. If you were to grab a trend line here and measure this out, you could see that your max move looking there to around almost 30K, hitting a retest here to this region that it had wicked to on the 9th, wicked to here on the 14th today. So let's erase those and go a little bit further into this video. So, where would we see a retest to if it fell? Right down there. You'd be seeing ourselves right on top of this trend line coming down. A largest move you'd be seeing coming out of this would be this from top here to here, and that would be leading you up there to actually almost at the top of this region here, sitting at that 786 around $29,869. So that's what we're looking at. But if we're actually able to backtest this over the next couple days and go here on the daily chart, you'd be looking at this move right here actually coming true, because this was the converging time right here, would actually be up here to back again to $30,201. So pushing it up slowly and slowly over time until you got to that point. But I think if we were to use the higher side of these now, go like this, I would say like right about here, come across, use the bodies of it and not the wicks. You would see removing those. Your next target would be actually out here by the August 24th. So a big move coming by August 24th. So next Thursday, not this Thursday, grabbing a trend line like this, grabbing from the top, hit here. So your max move looking at there around $30,408, starting to retest that contingency region. But you can see that your first impulsive move is looking there to around 30,135, so pushing up there to right around that boxed region, and then going for a retest if it can actually get through that 30,000 region. So that's what I'm going through right now. That's what I'm thinking. I'm sure if we go here to the daily, that would make more sense. Absolutely. So it looks like if we can actually get through our 20-day moving average right now and actually start to close above about 25,500, we can actually start to reverse this and actually get our target up here to around that 30,489, just right around there. But we'll see what happens. Those are the targets I'm looking at. If we were to give ourselves a nice short-term Fibonacci, so from here to the bottom of here, let's actually say from the top of here, you would want, yeah, we're going to have to, yeah, that's exactly what we were just saying. It has to get through 30,000 in order to get to that $30,450 region. Makes total sense. As you can see, putting here a Fibonacci, that would be a breakout target if it was able to actually get through 30,000. Ta-da! But I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember, none of it's financial advice, just my personal opinion and just my stipulation on what I see going on in the charts. Hope you guys are having a great one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.